In this video, we're going to explain everything you need to know about video learning and how it can transform your training process. Hi, I'm Bill Cunneen, Business Development Manager at Roundtable Learning. Are you looking for ways to engage your employees during the training process? At Roundtable, we have the resources you need to guide you towards the right learning solution. Today, I'll be talking about what video learning is, the different types, and how it can be used for your business. Video learning is a means to deliver training content through video modules, and it's a great tool for organizations due to its ease of scalability and the way it engages your audience. In order to make video learning effective, it is important that it is built on a strong instructional design foundation and paired with high-quality video and even motion graphics and animations. We like to look at subject matter experts as superheroes, but in reality, they're humans. They cannot be in every place at once, and your audience is not all in the same place. So video learning allows the subject matter experts and the audience to connect. Video learning is a great tool for onboarding, as your new employees can be introduced to leadership that might not be at their location. They can learn about the company history and even see a guided tour of the building or facility that they'll be working out of. Video for technical learning is an important tool because technical learning is a step-by-step process, and with video learning, you are able to zoom in and get a close-up shot of those step-by-step processes. Safety training is vital in many organizations, but it's difficult to train employees on the spot with dangerous situations. So with video learning, it's able to reenact or recreate a dangerous environment or situation without placing your audience in that dangerous situation. Video learning is a fantastic tool for leadership development, namely around soft skills such as difficult conversations. If you look into your employees, many of them might not feel very comfortable in a role-playing exercise, and video learning can take that discomfort out of the training process. Finding ways to incorporate video learning into your training programs has many advantages that comes with it. From branded content, animations, and motion graphics, video learning is a great tool to keep your learners interested and engaged into the content. As we mentioned earlier, subject matter experts cannot be everywhere at once. So with video learning, they are able to capture their knowledge and deliver that through video to the audience. In terms of scalability, it's easily applied to video learning, as the administrators can send out a video file or a video link to all employees. Of course, there are some disadvantages to video learning. If you've ever downloaded or watched a low-quality TV show or movie, I'm sure you were quickly disengaged. And the same can be true to your audience if the video learning is choppy, grainy, or has bad audio. Luckily, with modern times, this video equipment is relatively inexpensive. Even the smartphone in your pocket takes high-quality videos. Not all topics are best delivered through video learning, as some topics are best learned through hands-on or a face-to-face interaction. Now, as great of a tool video learning can be, we recommend at Roundtable that it not be a standalone module for your training process, but rather to reinforce the learning objectives, it's best to pair it with a blended learning approach. You should choose Roundtable as your video learning provider, because when you do work with us, we're not just a vendor, we're a partner. We will help you, guide you, and communicate with you throughout the entire process. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out our article on traditional or digital learning. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Training and Development channel for more videos on all things learning solutions.